Hello guys, today we're going to learn how to add chatbot page into your app. You will learn how to add chatbot page into your app. Chatbot is an automatic conversation system which responds to messages based on the predefined questions and answers. It is mainly used for customer support. For adding chatbot page, you need to get client access token and developer access token from API.py. First, add chatbot page into your app. Go to API.py portal. Sign up for free. Sign in with your Google account. If you have logged in for the first time, it will ask you to accept terms and conditions. Click on Create Agent. If asked, click on Authorize to give your authentication for the required permission. Provide agent name. If you want, you can change language from here and save. Click on Cogwheel to go to Settings. Here you will see both API keys. Copy them and paste it into the respective fields of Chatbot page on App Builder. Now click on Add Questions and continue to Dashboard. This is your Chatbot section. Here you can add questions as per your needs. You can add as many questions as you want. Here's the Chatbot preview window where you can check responses of your preset questions. Under Import FAQ section, you can upload questions and answers in bulk. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.